This video is all about that how can I create this UI in 1.5 hours, and in this video I explain you step by step that how can I create this UI. So firstly I divide the whole UI in a three section. First one is a nav section, content section, and a boxes section. So firstly I created two files, index.html and style.css. Index.html, in this file I write the whole structure about the UI, and in this CSS file I write the whole styling that I can create the UI. So firstly I created a main container. In this main container I created three sub container like nav container, content, and boxes. So you can see that this is the nav container, this is the content, and this is my boxes. So firstly I talk about my nav container. In this nav container I created two sub containers, left nav container and right nav container. In a left nav container I give the image and another container like C name, and in a right nav container I give the two images. So I give the styling like display flex, line item center, space between, RGB, padding, and a height. So you can see that this is my left nav container and this is my right nav container. I give the align item center, justify content, space between. So you can see that my whole content are aligned in a center and in a row format, and like my left container are shifted to a left corner and my right nav container are shifted on a right nav container. Firstly I talk about my left nav container. In this left nav container I write the image, and this is my heading, and this is my paragraph. So firstly I give the in a left nav container I give the display flex, line item center, and justify content, and kept 10 pixels. So you can see that my in a like this is my image, this is my heading, this is my paragraph. So all are aligned in a center and justify content center, and this is the gap between them 10 pixels. So that's why I give the gap between 10 pixels, and this is my heading and this is my paragraph. So I give my heading font size, I increase the font size. That's why I give the 20 pixel font size, and I give the margin 3 pixel and 0 pixel, 3 pixel for top and bottom, and 0 pixel from left side and a right side. And I give like font size from my paragraph as well. So that's why I give the font size. And if you talk about my right side, like right nav bar, in this right nav bar I attached two images. You can see that this is my right nav container. In this right nav container I give display flex, line item center, justify content center, gap 15 pixels. So you can see that my both images are aligned in center and justify content center, and this is the gap between them like 15 pixel. I give the gap between them, and in this gap I give the background color is 5, padding 5 pixel, and border radius 15 pixel. Background color, you can see that my navbar section, this is the this color is my navbar color, and this color I give white color. So you can see that both are look like different, so that's why I give the background color white. And in this you can see that my border is not corner, it is circle. That's why I give the border radius 50%, and this is padding between image and the border. You can see that, so that's why I give the padding. So this is my whole nav container, you can see that. So secondly I talk about my content container. In this content container you can see that these three buttons are left hand side and these three buttons are my right side. So if you talk about my structure in a container, you can see that this is my container. In this container this is two child container like left content and a right content. In this left content I created three buttons, and in this right content I also created three buttons. Both are look like different, so that's why I give another like different CSS. So firstly if you talk about my left side container, so I give this is my content, and I give the display flex, line item center, the space between. So you can see that my these six buttons are aligned in center, and space between like these three buttons are aligned in the left corner, and these three buttons are aligned in the right corner. And if you talk about my CSS from buttons, so in the left content I give the display flex, line item center, gap 20 pixels. So you can see that this is the these three buttons are aligned in the center, and this is the gap between them 20 pixel. I give that gap between them. And if you talk about my left C button, I give the button CSS. So you can see that these three buttons are look like similar, but my first button and these two buttons are like little bit of difference. Like these but this button have a background color purple, and this background color is white. So that's why I give the background colors like white, color is purple, padding, border none, border radius 20 pixel, font size 15 pixel, and font weight 600 pixel. So I give like border radius, you can see that this is the small curve. That's why I give the border radius. Background color is purple like white, and font color is purple, and I increase the font weight as well as font size, and border none. So you can see that there is no border, you can see. And I give like this button is different, and these two buttons are look like similar. That's why I also give the another class first. So I give the purple color as well as white color. So that's why you can see that this is the purple background color, and this is my white font color. So that's why it is look like different. So from as same as right hand side I created these three buttons. In these three buttons there's a I give the background color like yellow. I increase the font weight as well as font size, and I give the font color black, and I give the background color yellow. And this is the border radius. You can see that small curve. So you can see that my background color is yellow, font weight 600, border none, border radius 5 pixel, and padding 10 pixel and 15 pixel. So this is my whole content. So lastly I created these boxes section. In these boxes section there's a one box, two box, three box, and four box. So you can see that this is my boxes container. In this boxes container I created sub boxes like box, four boxes. So I give like display flex, line item center, space around flex step. So you can see that like these boxes are aligned in the center, and you can see that the space between them are same. Like this space and this space are same, this space and this space are same. That's why I gave the space around. And flex step, you can see that if you created another box, so this box are created like the bottom of my first box. That's why I give the flex step, and I give the padding also. So if you talk about my this first box, so in this first box I give the Firstly, I give the border like 1 pixel solid black border, and in this border I create two sections, a top section and a bottom section. So you can see that this is my top section and this is my bottom section. And in this top section I also divide like left image and a right box, and in this bottom section there are three buttons. So and in a so you can see that this is my left section, this is my right section, and this is my bottom section, and it's all about my top section. So in this I give the like border radius 10 pixel with 400 pixel height, 250 pixel display flex space evenly flex action column. So this is my whole border, and 1 pixel like 10 pixel border radius and flex direction column. That's why these like top and bottom are aligned in a column direction. That's why I give the flex left and space evenly flex direction column. In a top section are also in a top section there's a container left image and a right box. So this is my left image and this is my right box. So in a left image I created like with 100 pixel and object with 100 pixels. So you can see that this is my image which are fixed in a way that this image are not like override anyone or like hide anywhere. That's why I give the object fit and a with 100 pixel. And in a right box there's a like start and display flex align item start and flex action column. So you can see that my whole item like whole content are aligned are start with the start and flex action column and gap 10 pixels. So you can see that the difference between like gap is the 10 pixel and flex direction like column. So that's why these items are aligned in a column. And like if we talk about my right box button, in a right box button I give like background color blue. In this I give the this is my image, this is a content, and background color blue, border radius none, and border curve 10 pixel or 15 pixel. And so you can see that flex action of display flex center, gap 5 pixel, padding, border none, border radius, and background color display flex. Why I give? Because this is an image and this is the content. So my image and a content are aligned in a center. That's why I give the display flex. So you can see that this is my this is the button and this is the image and this is the content. That's why I give. And this is my heading. I give the font weight as well as font size. And this is my paragraph. And in this paragraph I give the color like fade color. That's why this is look like that. And font size and font weight. This is my another container. You can see that this is my rupees container. I give the rupees container display flex line up center. So you can see that these buttons like this heading, paragraph, and button are aligned in a column direction, and gap between them. You can see that this is the gap between them. And I give the font weight as well as font size and font weight font size for my like paragraph. And this is like line. You can see that line through text decoration using to cut this paragraph. That's why I give the line through. And this is my button. The background color like you can see that this is look like similar. So I can use that and like button and color is green. That's why but I can give this. And if you talk about my bots, like this button are different, and these two buttons are similar. That's why I give the padding, border radius, and font size. And this is look like different. So that's why I give the class button and border and background color black and color white. That's why it is look like that. So this is my first box, and I also create like similar these box and using same CSS. That's why these three boxes are created and look like similar. That's how I can create this whole UI content.